If Mailchimp is giving you trouble uploading an image, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. This is a common issue, and the good news is that most of the time it comes down to image size, file format, file name issues, or even a browser problem. So if your upload keeps failing, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest ways to get it working again. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check the size of your image. A large image file can often cause upload errors in Mailchimp, especially if it's too heavy or not optimized properly. So the easiest fix is to resize the image and reduce the file size before uploading it again. For this, go to ILoveIMG.com. Once the website opens, look for the option to compress or resize your image, depending on what you need. Upload your image into the tool, then reduce the file size or dimensions until it's lighter and more suitable for Mailchimp. After that, download the smaller version of the image to your computer. Now go back to Mailchimp and try uploading the newly compressed image again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem because Mailchimp handles optimized images much better than oversized ones. If the upload works now, great, you're done. But if it still doesn't work, there are a few more things you should check. Next, make sure your image format is supported. Mailchimp works with standard image types like JPG, PNG, and GIF. If your file is in another format, or if it has been encoded in a strange way, it may not upload correctly. One important thing to remember is that Mailchimp does not support Base64 encoded images for this kind of upload. So if your image came from a copied HTML source, a design tool, or an email signature generator, it may need to be exported as a normal image file first. To be safe, convert it into a regular JPG or PNG and try again. Another simple but very effective fix is to rename the file. Sometimes Mailchimp can have issues when the image file name contains special characters, spaces, symbols, or unusual formatting. So instead of using a name like my image final version 2026 at .png, rename it to something clean and simple, like Mailchimp image PNG. Keep it short, use letters and numbers only, and avoid special symbols. Then save the file and upload it again. This small step can make a big difference. If the image still won't upload, the issue may not be the image at all. It could be your browser. Try switching to a different browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, and see if the upload works there. Sometimes browser extensions, cached files, or cookie issues can interfere with Mailchimp uploads. If the image uploads successfully in another browser, then you know the original browser is the problem. In that case, go back and clear your browser cache and cookies, or temporarily disable extensions that might be blocking the upload. Once you've done that, try the upload again in your original browser. In many cases, a clean browser session fixes the issue completely. So the full process is really simple. Resize the image, compress it using ILoveIMG.com, make sure it's a supported JPG, PNG, or GIF file, rename it to something clean, and if needed, change browsers or clear your cache. Following these steps usually solves the Mailchimp image upload error without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes, tutorials, and step-by-step software help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.